You know what me and these chicken wings have in common?
What?
We get picked up with thongs, thongs. Alright guys, this is just a quick video. We're going to make the Costco garlic seasoning party wings. Oh, it even tells you in the instructions in there as well. $20.97. And then we are going to add some of BB sauce on it too as well. Alrighty, thanks for you guys always letting us know. Put aluminum foil, spray it, and this is the sauce that we're going to put on there. This is a amazing sauce, $1.25, but after tariff, who knows what it's going to be, depending where it came from. Alright, let's get into it. Let me see right there. No, came from Martinville. No tariff. Alright, let's get this oven heated up to 450. I will say there is a lot of seasoning, and there was a lot of, I almost couldn't even fit it into these two pans. I mean, that's a lot of chicken, and they're really thick, but just waiting on the oven to go off. Alrighty, 450. 450. I mean, we normally don't turn them around. It says 20 minutes, turn them around 16 minutes. Let me just make sure that they're cooked. That's all we do. Goodbye, my friend. We're gonna eat you up. Alright, you said 20, 36, I'll do 40. I'll do 45. I know I'm going to try this sauce. We're not going to put this on all of it, but we are going to definitely. Either I'm going to put that in the dipping sauce. Everything's coming good. I think it's almost done. I think it is done, to be honest with you. Looks way more than done. Alrighty, guys. Oop. Let's put the small one. Oh, yeah. It's looking good. I still put them on that. I don't care. Oh, man, that looks delicious. That definitely is on point. Alright, let's see what BB's gonna do. They are nice and cooked. Seasoning stood on them. The smell is tremendously good. Alright, I'm gonna put some sauce. I think I should get me to do this. Come on, dude. Alright, let me put some sauce on this to right. There we go. Oh, that wasted BB sauce should kill me.
What would I kill you about?
Wasting your sauce. Alright, I'm gonna put them about half of them. And then we're gonna leave half with nothing. I'm only gonna put a few with my sauce over there just to see. And then we'll see which one we like.
You don't give it time to absorb it.
Yeah. I'm gonna try this one and a couple of these. This is really like jelly kind of, but oh, when it warms up, and that should be enough there, because like I said, we don't know yet what one we're gonna like. If anything, I can use it as dipping. All right, let's let it cool down, and we'll go from there. All right, BB, how many pieces you want? She ain't even listening. All right, how many pieces you want?
4.
You know what me and these chicken wings have in common?
What?
We get picked up with thongs, thongs. All right, you want 4?
Yeah.
All right, so I'll
Start with
give you
4.
2 with your special sauce, 2 without sauce. And then I'm gonna get 2 with the Hawaiian sauce because I know you don't want that. And then 2 with the barbecue sauce. And then 2 regular. And there it goes. Avocado and wings. We got the first bite. Is that with the sauce or the special sauce?
That's really good.
With your sauce?
Mm-hmm.
All right, give me thumbs up. All right, so with your sauce is good. That's what I'll do. I'm gonna try 2 with the Hawaiian or Asian sauce. Oh yeah. Get a little bit of that sweetness. And then you get the little bit of the spiciness that it has in it. Now this is without. Without the sauce, you don't taste too much of the garlicly. It goes straight into the chicken.
Well, I'm tasting the garlic.
Right, but I'm saying, but then you go straight into the chicken.
Yeah.
With the sauce, I think is better. With that Dollar Tree sauce. And the Dollar Tree sauce puts it off the chain. The second best is the chili sauce. And then if you just like the garlicly with the chicken. But what's that, buffalo sauce, whatever you had? Yeah. That definitely puts it over the chain. So let us know if you guys have ever tried like chicken that was already pre-seasoned from anywhere. This is the Costco one. This is on point. I recommend the buffalo sauce or the chili, but buffalo definitely takes it to the next level because you taste everything.
I bet you barbecue sauce would really taste good on there too.
Or barbecue sauce. Yeah, we didn't even try that, but yeah, definitely. I bet you that bourbon sauce would be good on there too. The Asian chicken bourbon sauce.
Yeah.
But yeah, just let us know if you guys have tried it. But yeah, that's it right there.